Let's welcome in Kunal Bothra as well, who's joining in on the charts. Hi, Kunal. First up, let's get your top picks going.
Good morning, Avan. I'll go with a couple of buy calls over here. And the first one is actually a buy on Sun TV, expecting the stock to get into a very strong breakout mode. So for the first time, I think you're seeing some positive signs emerging on the charts for Sun TV. The stock breaking out of its major resistance around the 450 to 455 mark. So would suggest a buy with 494 as a target for Sun TV. Stop us at 464. And the second would be a buy on KEI Industries. Again, a classical chart has been a consistent performer over the last so many years. Even on the short-term basis, the stock is coming out of a minor consolidation. So would expect a breakout for KEI Industries and an end of a minor consolidation, 2450 as a target, and stop us at 2200.
Okay, there you have it. Those are some of the top calls that Kunal is recommending. But Kunal, let's also get in a take on some individual names on the charts then. You've got the entire crude basket that will be in the spotlight, largely on the back of the fact that crude is nearing close to $80 per barrel. How are you looking at the charts of an MRPL or Chennai Petro basis the kind of move that they've seen?
So, most of these stocks like MRPL, for example, in the last 2-3 months, when we look at it from the March end lows, these stocks have done exceptionally well from 60-65 rupees. MRPL has gone into a strong rally mode. I think 90 or 91 was the high for MRPL. The stock had made last week or so. So it's been a phenomenal rally for these stocks on the back of what happened to the crude oil prices from the 2022 peak. I would believe that there could be some tapering off of gains for these stocks over the near term. But in terms of support patterns, I believe, for example, for MRP, 75 to 80 is a huge band of support for the stock price, where the volumes had jumped up higher. We look at the VWAP support for the stock prices, both in terms of volumes as well as the weighted average in terms of prices. So that also lies closer to 75, 77 mark for MRPL. That's again a very good territory. In case the stock happens to correct and come back to those levels, that could be a very good classical re-entry point or the mean reversion point for MRPL for traders who are looking to buy. Chennai Petro, on the other hand, I think closer to 400, 420 is a strong support zone for the stock price. It's a more of a steady stock as compared to a stock like MRPL. Chennai Petro has been a stock which moved from 300 odd levels to now 440 odd plus mark for itself. Again, classical volumes, very steady kind of chart for Chennai Petro. 420 could be a good entry point in case the stock dips to those levels.